Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, ventilate the car, and put on gloves. You want 70–90% isopropyl alcohol, a soft plastic scraper, and 2 microfiber cloths. Once ready, test the alcohol on a hidden corner to confirm no color loss. That tells you why this works. It dissolves the sticky polymer layer without aggressive paint damage. Then, dampen the cloth, work a 6/8-inch patch, and blot residue. Don't rub dry, because you will spread softened goo across fresh surface. Once done with the test, move section by section. You'll apply alcohol, let it sit 10–20 seconds to soften the degraded surface, then use the plastic scraper at a low angle to lift, not gouge, the sticky film. Make sure to wipe loosened material with the second dry microfiber cloth after each pass. That prevents redeposition. If residue recurs, repeat the short soak and scraping cycle. This method removes the polymer breakdown that causes tackiness, rather than just masking it. You finish by neutralizing surfaces. After cleaning, lightly dust talc or cornstarch and brush off to stop any faint stick. Once clean, apply a water-based UV protectant to stabilize the plastic. Make sure to avoid silicone-based dressings that can cause future stickiness. If the dashboard still feels tacky after repeated treatment, use a commercial adhesive remover as directed or plan for panel replacement, because extensive polymer breakdown sometimes can't be reversed. Troubleshooting tip: if color softens, stop and test a different product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.